Hi everyone, here we've got Motorola Edge, and let me show you how to update apps on this device. So actually all you have to do is simply go to the Play Store, click on the smart icon in the left upper corner and click on My Apps and Games. Here, as you can see, we've got the list of available updates. If you want to update all of these apps, simply click on Update All. I do not want to do that. I just want to update, for example, Google Drive. So if you want to update only one app, click on Update right next to this. And now, as you can see, the Google Drive is downloading. And it is very slowly. Of course, you can do something else while downloading the updates. For example, customize some settings or whatever you want to. So let's get back to the Play Store. As you can see, now it is no longer at the top of the list, so it means that it has been installed and successfully applied. So that's all. This is how you update apps in your Motorola Edge, and thank you so much for watching. If you find that this video was helpful, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.